Hello everyone, in this video I will find the value of this expression 8 divided by 4 all over 4 divided by 8. The common mistake people make here is that they divide 8 by 8 to get 1, 4 divided by 4 to get 1, and at the end of the day their answer is 1. This answer is not correct. The answer is wrong. The correct way to solve this question is by solving the numerator first and then solve the denominator, then divide the numerator, the answer from the numerator, by the answer from the denominator. 8 divided by 4 is 2. This line is a division sign. 4 divided by 8. Let's rewrite it as 4 over 8. Using the rule called KCF. K stands for keep, you keep this number. C stands for change, we change division to multiplication. F stands for flip, we flip this fraction. And when the fraction is flipped, we call it reciprocal. That is reciprocal of 4 over 8 will give us 8 over 4. So the fraction has been flipped. Now let's apply it. Keep these two, turn division to multiplication, and then flip 4 over 8 into 8 over 4. Next, let's just put 1 here, and then 2 times 8 will give us 16. 1 times 4 will give us 4. Now let's divide these numbers. Let's use the common factor, but we are using GCF, and that is 4. So we divide 16 by 4, and then we divide 4 by 4. 16 divided by 4 will give us 4. And then 4 divided by 4 will give us 1. So 4 over 1 is the same thing as 4. So this is the final answer. The answer to this question is not 1 but what? 4.